Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I am your computer science teacher, Miss Madhiya Nayyar, and today I will deliver lecture 2 of week 9, and we will revise a few more concepts of chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computers. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lessons. In our previous lesson, we have learned about software engineer. Who is software engineer? Software engineer is an IT skilled person, and his responsibilities include analysis, design, and maintenance of computer software. And a software engineer is further classified into programmer and a system analyst. Programmer is a highly skilled person, and he develops a program. He writes a program. And the system analyst, the duty of the system analyst includes analysis of the organization for which the software is to be developed. Like he gathers the requirements for the software development and plans a solution, and then coordinate with the programmer so that he can easily design and develop a software. Today we will discuss few more careers in IT. Hardware engineer. Hardware engineer is a person who designs and manufactures the computer hardware. What includes the computer hardware? All the components of the computer are included in computer hardware, like CPU, monitor. So he can design all these components. And secondly, he repair and maintains the computer hardware, and he has an in-depth knowledge of internal working of computer and its parts. Network administrator. Network administrators are responsible for installation, configuration, and maintenance of computer networks in an organization. And he is basically in charge of maintenance of computer hardware and software that make up a computer network. When you make a computer network, hardware is also included. Like you need a computer to connect to a network, and you need cables, connectors, routers. So network administrator is responsible for maintenance of all these hardware devices, and the software is also needed. Like operating system, a network operating system is installed on each computer, and the maintenance and installation of the software is also the duty of the network administrator. And the network administrator, thirdly, he can also assign the password to protect the network from unauthorized people. He made the users and assigned the passwords to the authorized people. Database administrator. He is responsible for the design, implementation, and maintenance of the database. First of all, he design a database. That is, for example, you are a database administrator has to design a database for the school. So he will first of all he will design. He will select that which tables are to be implemented in this database, like teacher table, students table, etc. And then if an error occurs in the database, he will also repair or maintain the database. He is also responsible for monitoring the performance of the database. Web designer. The job of the web designer is to plan and create websites. You are very familiar with the websites like Facebook, Yahoo, Google. All these are websites. He designed the web pages that include the text, images, sounds, or video clips. And HTML, that is hypertext markup language, is commonly used for creating the websites. Review. Today we have discussed about hardware engineer. Hardware engineer is responsible for designing and manufacturing and repairing of the computer hardware. And network administrators. Network administrator is a person who is responsible for configuring and installation and maintenance of computer hardware and software to form a network. And database administrator is responsible for designing and maintaining a database. Web designer creates a website and design a website, and a website consists of many web pages. and HTML is a language that is used to design a web page. That's all we have studied today. Now the assignment, you have to write a short note on hardware engineer and learn network and database administrators. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you understand it. Thank you.